This video will guide you on how to configure the 922S5 proxy in Linken Sphere. Step 1. Obtain proxy information. First, open the 922S5 client and go to the port proxy interface. Click on the filter. Select the country/state/city and other criteria for the IPs you need. And click Confirm to get a list of IP addresses for the target area. In the refreshed IP list, select an IP address. Right-click to forward it to an available port. In the pop-up window, add or select the provided target URL to check the IP's availability. Then click Start Extracting. When the IP status bar below shows success, click on the port forwarding list at the bottom. Find the extracted IP, and click the Copy button on the right. Step 2. Configure the proxy in Linken Sphere. Open the Linken Sphere client. Click Add New Session. Then click the circle on the right and select Edit Session from the drop-down list. In the editing interface, name the new window. In the connection section below, select the proxy type. I will use SOCKS5 as an example. Paste the IP and port copied from 922S5, it will automatically check the proxy. After successful detection, click Save to save the proxy configuration. Click Open to launch the new window and continue with your next task.